Phonexia Speaker ID is the world's leading technology for automatic speaker recognition. How can you easily do a basic test yourself? All you need is the Phonexia browser evaluation package and a suitable dataset. You can download the evaluation package after registering at our partner portal, and you can use the example dataset provided with this video. The basic test simulates a speaker spotting scenario, recognizing an individual speaker in a large amount of recordings. Technically, just 2 recordings of the target speaker would be enough for the very basic test. But with more audio files, you can learn much more about the system. So in my example, the testing dataset contains 8 recordings of the target speaker in 2 different languages and 100 recordings from other speakers. If you are using the browser evaluation package for the first time, follow the instructions in the README document on how to install and run the software. You can use the quick setup guide and select the Voice Biometrics core setup to enable the necessary technologies. Start the test with the so-called enrollment, that is by creating a speaker model. Right-click in the speaker models pane and select Add New Speaker Model. Choose a suitable speaker name. My target speaker is a male native speaker of Spanish, so I'll call him M1ES. Then click the green plus button and select a recording of the speaker. Click OK, and then right-click the new model and select Prepare Model. You should check that the recording contains at least 20 seconds of speech to make a good speaker enrollment. It's also good practice to use recordings in the native language of the speaker, since in that language the speaker usually shows the largest variability of his or her voice. In the next step, click Add Files to upload other recordings of the target speaker. In my case, the file names begin with M01. After that, upload the files that will simulate the incoming data where you want to spot your target. Then activate the Speaker ID technology and press Start. The recordings which do not contain enough speech are not processed. The default limit is 10 seconds of speech, but in the settings you can lower it to 7 seconds, the recommended minimum for the latest generation of Phonexia Speaker ID. The speaker scores are percentages which express the amount of match between the speaker model and the individual files. If I sort the scores in descending order, we'll see the best matches at the top. You can see that the target speaker M1 has a match of over 98% with all his Spanish as well as English recordings. The next recording by speaker M4 only's got a 45% match. That means there is some similarity between speakers M1 and M4, but it's quite limited. You can open individual files in the waveform editor, listen to them and verify the results. If you're interested in a more advanced evaluation of Phonexia Speaker ID, have a look at our video Phonexia's AI-powered speaker identification, how to test it. And don't forget to check out all the other technologies that come with the evaluation package. Use the quick setup guide to enable, for example, language and gender ID with the full voice biometric setup, or speech transcription and keyword spotting, among other things, with the speech analytics setup. Thanks for watching.